Sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
please record the today's session. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is a R by 3 system we will call. So we have a so this is the SAP system. You can see this is the SAP system. This is the SAP system. The data was posted in the system that whatever you are seeing, that is a user interface. So this data will get stored in backend, that is the database. And this database, this user interface, everything it will be stored in the server. So that is called the user interface server. So these are the, we will call it as a R by 3 system. Okay. So actually, why SAP, most of the clients are looking for SAP means earlier we have separate applications for each transactions, like purchasing. If you there is a purchase, we need to use one separate application. Sale and production account, so we were using separate application earlier days. Now everything, it is a integrated application, that is called the SAP. This we will call it as the ERP. It everything, it will be in this system itself, it will be integrated. Now you can see here, everything you can find here. So financial accounting, material management, and real estate, sales and distribution, HR, everything, it will be integrated within the SAP. That's why most of the clients are looking for the SAP only. Earlier, they used to use separate application like Oracle. We have a Oracle Finance. And if you want to use Oracle Finance, you want to buy separate application purchasing, say, like that. Those are the non-integrated. Now it is a integrated applications. So these are the competitors we have in a market. And yeah, so nowadays S4 HANA, not only most of the client, SAP itself recommended to move to the S4 HANA, because earlier in, this is the ECC system. For suppose I'm going to show you, this is the ECC system. We will call it as a ECC system. This one, what happened, the database, if you go status here, here you can see database system. This is either MS or MS SQL or Oracle. So whoever want to use SAP system, they have to purchase separate database, either Oracle and MS SQL. So which will be extra burden for the client. So that's why now what SAP suggested, SAP itself, they are providing integrated HANA database. That is the major change. This is the SAP provided integrated SAP database. Earlier we have a separate database. Now within the SAP they are providing their own database, which will reduce the cost for the client. That is the most important in a S4 HANA. And there are couple of changes for there that we can see in the system itself. When we have when we are working on S4 system, then that time only we can see the changes ECC and S4 HANA. And this is the SAP was found 1972. They have this in Europe, Germany. These are the modules we have. In SAP means so many applications. That's why we will call it as an integrated application. So we have a SAP FICO means two different subject. FI means financial accounting, CO means controlling. Financial accounting means we can use it for external reporting purpose. Whatever you are doing in a year, financial year, fiscal year, so that we will submit to the government. That is the external report. In CO means internal reporting within the company, budgeting, planning, actual. So for that reason we are using the controlling. And another applications, material management, and SD, sales and distribution, and these all systems will be will have a technical. So that is the ABAP. ABAP is the technical programming. ABAP is the programming. Basis, these people will maintain the server. Security, these people will provide the authorization. So on PP, planning, HR, everything, there are different modules we have. And so this is the data structure we have. R by 3 system: server, database, user interface. User interface means which we are looking in front of screen. That is the user interface. Whatever you are posting using user interface, that will be stored in the database. This database will be placed on the server. That is the difference. This is the landscape. We can call it as a landscape. Landscape means in a everywhere, any organization, we have a 3 different types of systems. One is development, quality, and production. So development, we will work. Quality, business will test it if there is any new functionality. And productions, we will at final, this is the final product, so business will use it. So that is the production system. And FI, as I told, FI is a internal external reporting purpose, financial accounting. So these are the topics we are going to discuss. We have a FI. These are the topics. Enterprise structure. In enterprise structure, we will go on customizing the company. Company organization we will customizing. So then we will maintain the general ledgers. Those are the general entries are called general ledgers, like what are the purchasing account, end account, sale account, everything we will maintain in the general ledger. Accounts payable, we have another topic, accounts payable. This is a, we will call it as a vendor concept. So here we will pay the invoice amount. This is the receivable. This is a customer. Customer means we will receive the amount. This is the revenue. So we will issue, we will get the payment against the invoices. Assets, every company, they have so many assets. We need to depreciate every asset. There will be a vehicle. So vehicle is a depreciation only. There is no appreciation. So vehicle, building, furniture, everything will be the appreciate. We want to know at the end of the year, we want to know what is our asset value. So that is called the asset accounting.
Hi, Charan.
Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting, but your voice is going up and down, Charan.
Up and down. Huh? Now, everybody same thing. Raghu? Raghu?
Yeah, it's clear for me. It's clear for me.
What about Amol?
It's clear for me.
Yes. See, Girish, your side only issue.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next. So this is the CO. Actually, CO, we can use it for the internal reporting. So here, why we are using the internal reporting purpose means, so we want to know how much is the cost, how much is the revenue within the company. So this will be analyzing by our senior managements, board of directors. They want to know how much is the cost we are receiving, how much we are paying, how much we are receiving the revenue. For analysis purpose only, CO we can use it. That's why this one we will call it as budgeting, planning, and actual. That is the purpose we are using the CO. In CO, we have, these are the sub-modules we have. What is the cost element? What is the cost center, internal ladder, profit center? Everything we will go and discuss here. And these are the, nowadays, there won't be, mostly there won't be any manual postings. Posting means invoices. We will call it as a invoices. There won't be any manual invoices posting in SAP. Everything, it will be automated from system and SD system or CO. So that is why we will call it as a integration. How the integration happening between FI system and means material management. This always it will be integrated only. SD, FI, FISD and FICO. These three will be the integrated. how the data is flowing from FI to MM to FI. This we will discuss in our classes. How the integration is happening, that we will discuss. And at final, we are going to discuss the real time. I think you people are already working. You can understand what is the in real time. You know the incidents management and ticketing tool, how the ticketing tool will work, and interfaces. There will be so many interfaces are there. How the data is, for suppose some company, they want, for suppose Reliance company, they want to use SAP system. Earlier they are using Oracle, now they want to use it SAP. So at that time, whatever the SAP's Oracle data, we want to transfer into the SAP system. So that time we will use the interface. Through interface, the data will get posted in the SAP. That is called the IDOC. How IDOC will be performing. So that and all we are going to discuss. So there and incident, how what is the SLAs in SAP, in SAP system. If the business there is any ticket, what is the SAP SLA? SLA means service level agreement. So that and incident, what type of incidents we are going to receive, and how the change request, and how some ticket issues will come, regular issues. So that issues we are going to discuss in our classes. So this is just, it's a introduction, and we will discuss the syllabus. These are the syllabus we are going to discuss. So in this is the S4 HANA syllabus. We have in enterprise structure, these are the customizing we need to do, how we are going to customize it. And this is the general ledger accounting, how we are going to customize a general ledger accounting. So these are the steps we are going to do. In financial accounting, what is the fiscal year, how system will understand the fiscal year, how we are going to create the fiscal year, what is the, why it is the importance of the fiscal year. Fiscal year means it is a financial year. And number ranges, there are so many. And tax, we have a tax, income, input tax, output tax, and withhold. These are the direct tax, indirect tax, how system in the system, how this will work. And account payable means it is a vendor concept. Vendor means how we are going to pay the vendor payments. This most important topic here, vendor payments, how we are going to pay through system. So in banking, we have bank accounts. Everything in, if it is a vendor, we should have some bank account. So we have a bank concept here, that also we are going to discuss. And this is the accounts receivable means customer, how we are going to do the customer, how we are receiving the customer payments, that we are going to customizing. And asset accounting, these are the asset accounting we are going to use. And these are the customization we are going to perform. Asset means depreciation only, how system will calculate the depreciation against the assets, that and all we are going to customize. And these are the topics, CO topics. CO means internal reporting purpose we are going to do. These are the integration topics, and these are the real time. At final we are going to discuss. And this is the SAP system. This at present I don't have the S4 HANA system, so that S4 HANA system not working at present for me. I'm just showing this is the ECC system. So these are the postings we used to happen in the system. We used to post here, how system will recognize this company code. That is our role, how to create this company code. Without company code we cannot post. What is the importance of the company code, why we are using always company code. So that we are going to discuss in our classes. And document type and period, how this period will recognize the system for this company code. And accounts, here so many GL accounts will create. These are the general ledger entries, how we are going to create this, how this will be displayed here. This is our role as a consultant. We should aware of, we are going to create customizing whatever the business requirements. So these are the postings, and you can see some of the posting here. At final, once you post the document, just I'm going to show one document. Yeah, so these are the documents. Yeah, this like this. Once we posted every document, it will get created like this. This is the invoice amount. You can see invoice amount. These are the GLs. How we are going to create these GLs? How system will determine? So bank account and share capital, and here document number, company code, and fiscal year. How system will pick the company fiscal year and posting period. So this is our responsibility to create configure the system as per the requirements. So like this, we are going to discuss our training. So any doubt you have, you can you ask me, I will clarify that. Raghu?
Syllabus is same for SAP FICO and S4HANA.
Sorry?
Syllabus is same for SAP FICO and S4HANA.
Yeah, syllabus something is, not that much big. So there is a slight difference only. Slight means
Okay, okay.
20% differences is there. S for ECC and S for HANA.
Okay.
See, main
It
is
is both.
yeah, main is database one, and there are some functional changes that we will discuss. What are the functional changes
Okay,
happened in ECC and S for HANA?
okay, okay.
I got only one question, like the server access. I mean, do you give it for S4 system or you give it for this ECC system?
We will give S4 only.
Okay, thank you.
If you are joining particularly to the course S4, we will give the S4. If you will,
It's specifically for S4.
yeah, we will provide S4 system only.
The reason why I'm specifying S4 is we are moving into this S4 environment.
Yeah,
And,
no
that's
issue.
one of the reasons why I want to get certified and I want to get exposure to S4.
Yes. Definitely. We will help you in terms of exam also. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
What about Amol?
Sir, is it possible to install both the version in a system ECC and S4HANA?
You want ECC and S4 HANA?
Huh?
Yeah, we will
So
provide you
if I
that.
take, okay, no, if I take S4HANA software, so can I do practice in that software ECC, SAP FICO?
Yeah, you can. One system enough. I don't think it's both system required.
Okay, no, not a system.
Hmm.
If I take the server S4HANA, so in that S4HANA, can I do practice SAP FICO also?
Yes.
Okay, no any difference ECC and S4HANA practice we
No,
can do.
there won't any difficulty. Everything customizing, everything same.
Okay.
The system environment only will get changed.
Okay.
Everything same only, functional wise. There are
Okay.
bit.
Functional means everything is same in SAP FICO, ECC and S4HANA.
Yes.
Okay. No issue.
So anything?
And another thing I want to ask you, you will show the ticketing tools, how ticket will come and how to fix this
Uh,
anytime.
Ticketing tool that I don't have actually. I have a screenshots that through that I can explain you. I took so see I'm working in some organization, right? So I should not show to everyone, right? I have a document. So that document I will show similar, whatever we are working in real time, that's similar documentation I have. I will show you and I will share you.
Okay.
I think you are
Now my
already
question
working in
regarding,
Tech Mahindra, right? You know you are using
yeah,
some tools already, right?
sir, I'm using the Talisma tool.
Which
Okay,
which
means
one?
those Talisma.
Charisma.
This is the name of the software. Yeah, Talisma.
Charisma. Okay, no
Okay.
problem. No problem.
Talisma is integrated with GST website. Okay, when
Uh-huh.
any customer is raising the complaint on that website in the grievance portal, so that
Uh-huh.
will become on this software.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
through using this tool, I am providing the solution.
No issue, Amol. We will give you that. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
So any
So
clarification?
organization wise, different ticketing tools are same.
See, nowadays most of the same only. Either Remedy. Most of the companies are using ServiceNow.
Okay.
That is the most. And so another one is Remedy is there. And some other
Okay.
people are in some Service Pro, some SAP only providing some other service. This one ticketing tool, that is a Service Pro. Okay, but most of the companies using Service Now, service that we will call Service Desk or Service Now.
Service now.
Yeah, Service Now. Yes, Service Now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Raghu. Any doubts, Raghu?
No, nothing from me, Charan.
Okay. What, Amol? What about you?
Sir, I want to ask something regarding opening for SAP FICO because most of time I'm checking on the Naukri portal. There is no any opening for the SAP freshers. They are asking at least 3 years, 4 years of experience.
Okay, when you completed your degree,
2017,
now you
and
are
I have
working.
3 years of.
You can you can keep that 3 years. No, who knows where you are working? Nobody. You can keep that one as an experience. Okay.
Okay.
See, once you get training, you will get a confident. Okay. You don't worry.
Okay. Sir, can you hold 2 minutes because my customer's call is landing on my phone. I need to pick up.
No problem. You can contact Girish after that. Okay.
Portal index मध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. यामुळे आपली
Yeah. Raghu.
Yeah, Charan.
Yeah, you are good, right? You don't have any.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I don't have any questions.
Okay.
So all I need to do is I need to check with my buddy. Okay. So just just try to understand. Get a confirmation whether I need to go for 1909 or 2020, and based on that, I will decide.
No issue. No issue. Take your time and you can contact to Girish. No problem. Girish
Yeah.
guide you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the first
Yeah.
thing, let's let me talk to him and I'll reach out to Girish.
No issue. No issue, Raghu. No issue, Raghu. Yeah.
Fine, Raghu. Fine, Raghu.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Girish.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Charan. Yes.
Yeah. Can we close?
Thank you. Yes, yes. Amol,
Okay.
if you have anything, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll close. And for other things, I will be connecting with you, Amol.
Yeah. Amul, I think he is speaking to some other call. No issue. He will contact you or you can contact him later. Okay.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think
Okay, Charan.
All
Okay.
right.
Amul back. Amul back. Yeah. Tell me, Amul. What score is you have? Tell me. Amul, are you hearing us? Yeah. Are you
Yes, yes,
hearing?
yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Tell me. What's your doubts?
Okay. Just my doubt was that regarding experience and
Yeah, experience and all, Girish will guide you. You don't worry. You can contact Girish. Girish will give you the clear picture on this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Amol, he will guide you. You don't worry. He will guide you.
Okay. Okay. And sir, any possibility if I not show relevant experience, if I show my original experience and along with my job I have done this course, then is it possible to get a job in SAP FICO?
There are so many openings are there. You don't worry.
Okay. Okay, no issue, sir.
Yeah, you can talk to Girish. He will guide you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye, all. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Thank you all.